This is the data, it has came as it is. So very first thing which I have to do is always convert data into table format. So I'll press Control T. I'll select, I'll put cursor anywhere in the table, on the data, and I'll press Control T. It will ask if your table has your headers. In this case, my table has my headers, so I'm saying OK. My table has my headers and I'm selected. So the data will get converted to table format. This is very first thing. Otherwise, you know that data connections will not work if it is not into table format. Now, what I have to do? So as I used to insert pivot table, now I am inserting pivot charts. Will slicer work with pivot charts? Well, you don't need it, you have fields. But still it will work. Now I'll say insert pivot chart, pivot chart. It is anyway same table, and then click on this. Don't forget to click on this, add this to data model and say OK. Now as soon as I do this, a chart option appears. So here now I will say segment wise. So let us do it for sales only this time. Segment wise sales. And I can convert this chart according to my preferences. So I am saying I will delete the unnecessary things, and then I will say change chart type. Let us say now here pivot table is better. I'll say OK. I'll click on this. I'll say add data labels. I can say format data labels. So as soon as I say format data labels, I have various options. So instead of value, I want percentage. I want category name. And I can say where I want data. I want it inside out, inside end, center, where I want. So let us say I want outside end. In this case, I can click on this total, or I can give heading. I can give this as category wise sales. What is the first? Segment. So instead of total, I'll say segment. So this is segment wise. I'll put spelling is wrong. Just ignore. Okay. So I have this data. Okay. Now next, insert pivot chart. Sorry. Insert pivot chart. Add this to data model. Okay. Now I have done segment. Let us do shipping mode. Shipping mode wise sales only. Just keep it like this only. I can change chart type. Okay. Maybe I don't want all these things. Again, I cut this and put it in my management sheet. Same again. Insert pivot chart. Add this to data model. Now let us say I get it.
I don't need to record this. Why?
So I can change this chart type
Record it in your
since
mind. Can you?
It has too many values, so
Nice.
Don't trust me.
That's why I need to record it
I see change chart type.
to check
Now I want
whether we are doing right
vertical
or not.
bars. Okay. Delete this. Can hide these buttons, okay?
26.
Let us take one more last. Insert pivot chart. Add this to data model. Let us say region wise. Sales model. Here I write region. So I can change chart colors and all those things, okay? So I'm not getting into that. Yes,
What is the date today?
tell me.
4th of October.
So let us say I have made this. Okay. Now I want to put buttons for analysis. Okay. So I'll go to insert. I'll say insert slicer. Now as soon as I say insert slicer, click on this. Don't click on this connections and all. It will get confused. Click on data model and say OK. Open. Now it will give me fields. Which field buttons I want. Now here I have to select carefully. Now what happens is, for example, if I select this profit category or order ID category, now how many order IDs are there in our sheet? 9,995 order IDs. So I'll get 9,995 buttons.
Yeah.
That I don't want, right? What I want is maybe, let us say I wanted
I'm bored of Subway.
this time
I had a lot in Thailand.
category wise analysis, subcategory, segment, region.
Yo, just take 8 minutes. Can't
That's
believe
it.
it.
Let us say keep it simple. Let's keep it simple.
For me, it would take
Or
like
ship
30
more.
minutes to finish this.
I have these many pivot buttons. Now first I arrange them. So let us arrange them in better way. So first click on size and you can adjust it accordingly. Let us say I wanted this one. I want 2 columns here to be. So I'll create this.
I think I'll have spring rolls from a Chinese place.
You have to optimize it, okay?
The fried rolls, yeah, that is good.
I get it. I can cook it easily at home.
Let us say east, west, north, south. I want to keep
But
it
it's
here
good.
as it
Spring
is.
roll. One of my favorite.
Let us say I want to make it a 3-line button. So size and properties, make number of columns as
hungry
3.
now.
Now I have a long
Let's
button
head
like this for this.
To finish more as fast as possible. After this. Yes.
I have something like this which I can place anywhere I want. Then for
Today we have
accessories,
presentation. Oh, easy.
I haven't even looked at it yet.
Huh?
I haven't even seen the presentation yet, but I know that my slides are 4 and 5.
My presentation was 6, but actually I should be the one who present 2 slides because I didn't participate much in report or PPT. But you guys Do you want to exchange?
So I can change according to, you know,
If you have one slide, you have to speak more. I chose 2 slides so that I can speak less on each slide. Understand?
I see. Alright.
let us say I think this is more suitable. So I'm changing it according to my
30 minutes.
Yeah, 14.
You, my god,
You
10.
can stop recording now.
No. Why?
It will take a lot of storage space.
Yeah. It will. I have a lot of storage space. Don't worry.
Upload it in cloud and read from gallery.
this
Or
seems
when IQ move.
uh, now I have set all these things according to layout according to aesthetics, you know. Now what you have to make connections. You have to make connections for all these things. So click on the slicer and I'll say and click on report connections. Click on all the charts you want to connect. Report connections. Click on all the charts you want to connect.
That's true.
Done. Now, for example, if I want to check or if I want to perform analysis or I want to see data for first class shipping rate, everything is in. If I want to compare with second class, now I have second class data. If I want to see first class and same day data, I have it. If I want to see it for all sections but only consumer class, I have it. So this is what Slicer does. Are we clear on this? Everyone? Any doubt? So this is what dashboards are made in Excel. Clear? Power BI is just extension of it.